Oh, welcome back, guys. If you guys watched last week's video, you seen that we made them tic-tac or TikTok trend videos where you do the cheese down, egg, bread, and then you can put whatever topping inside you want. Hopefully you guys like that. This week, I'm going to show you how to clean and reseason a cast iron pan. So let's jump back into it. So as you can see, my cast iron pan is hot. What you want to do, shut her down. So I always just let it kind of smoke off. Right after you get done cooking, smoke off. That helps, I guess, burn anything that's in the pan, so it's easier to come up. And then this is the most important part. You want to add scorching hot water to it, as hot as your faucet will get. Because if you do cold water, you're going to warp your pan. So as you can see, that hot water lifts everything off of the pan. See all that shit in there? So that's a good sign. So you're just going to let that boil. I got it turned off now. You're going to just let that boil, basically cool down, and then we'll go over to the sink. See, it lifted all that off, so you're just going to get hot water again. Right there is where the grease is. Just going to rinse her out. Now that you got her rinsed out, shut your water off. Then I add salt. I'm almost out. And it also helps pull the moisture out of the pan. So just let that sit there for a couple minutes. It smells weird. It smells like dirty. It smells weird. It smells like dirty butt.
Dirty butt!
Or maybe it's the pan. It's on the pan.
I don't smell dirty butt unless you just farted.
I bet it is.
No! Just smell it. It's sweet. It's not dirty butt.
Oh, yeah, dirty butt.
No!
Yeah.
You're ridiculous.
Yeah.
Well, it's almost out.
So Amber decided I was trying to figure out what smelled like dirty butt, and she's burning incense to get rid of the bacon smell, and I'm pretty sure the incense smells like dirty butt.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna use a scrub daddy. So you can see that's just that salt helps as an abrasive, plus it also breaks down. And you don't want to go too vigorous because then you'll rub your seasoning off. But that's also what our next step is for. You can see I got a pretty good layer on this pan. She's pretty solid.
laundry.
I smell that dirty butt.
You gotta go very nice to smoke. You can't even smell it. It's tasteless.
Alright, so this step, pretty important. You don't want to go too high because you don't want to warp the pan. So you just, oh shit, all this salt water I mixed here.
What? You said shit again.
So you can see all the salt and mist up here on the side. It's alright. Just clean it off.
You need Westy.
So like I was saying, low heat, because you don't want to warp the pan. And all we're doing is drying this cast iron off. And we'll go ahead and season it. As soon as you see all the water gone, there's a little bit right there. Alright, so you can see the pan's dried off. There's a couple like salt spots, but that's alright. We'll rub those out once we reseason it. So just doing a little bit of olive oil. So I just use a rag. It's the same rag that I always use. And just rub that oil in. You don't want it super thick. And evenly cook the whole pan. You can even do the underside. I normally don't do the underside when I'm doing it on the stove top. You want to try to avoid using paper towel because then you'll get paper towel lint in the seasoning. Not that it would make a difference, but you just don't want the, yeah, you just don't want the fibers in your. So then I turn it up to about a medium heat, and once she starts smoking, I throw it in the oven. The oven's not on; I just throw it in the oven so it doesn't fill the house full of smoke. And that's that. Alright guys, so she's smoking pretty good, so I'm just gonna toss her in the oven. She's seasoned up. Like I said, the oven's not on. Just throwing it in there to stop the smoke. Throw the fan on low. And that's how it's done. Super easy, like I said. Just leave your pan on when you're done cooking. Let that food basically burn off in there. Add your scalding hot water to it. Let all that food that's stuck on, it shouldn't be super stuck on because obviously a cast iron is supposed to be non-stick if it's seasoned properly. But let that food come off and then rinse it out. Add a little bit of salt. Everybody has their own preference on how they do it. That's just, I've had the best luck with that. You don't want to get too aggressive on scrubbing it just because you'll rub that seasoning off. So appreciate you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to check out our other channel too, Outdoor Gladiators. They'll be linked down below. As always, enjoy your guys' new year. Be safe. Shoot straight. Alright guys, so here's the package. I'm sure you can probably already tell by the thumbnail, but I'm pretty excited to get this.